Welcome! In this video, we will show you how you can prepare for a remote PI planning exercise in your training with just a few clicks. We will cover the following points: how to register for a remote training account, how to prepare a simulation for an upcoming training, clean up after the simulation and preparation for the next one. For the PI planning app, you and your participants need to install Chrome. Let's open Chrome and go to the simulation.piplanning.io. Here you can now register for a remote training account. Choose a desired name for your PI planning app instance. Important! You and your participants will log in with the prefix PIPS followed by a dash and then your chosen name. Next, enter your email address. Then enter an admin name. Please remember this name as it is also your username to log in. Be aware that upper and lowercase are relevant for authentication. Then set your password. Prove that you are not a robot and click on Sign Up. You immediately receive a confirmation email. Keep this email so you don't forget your credentials. We recommend to leave the team names with Team A, Team B, and so on as is. It simplifies the simulation execution and saves time. If you still want to change the team name to the dream names of the participants, please watch the video about team name change for remote training carefully. We can click on Save PI Plannings in the menu. Here the system has created the simulations Alice and Geekbooks by default. Now if you know that you only need one of them in your simulation, make it as easy as possible for the participants and delete the one you don't use. If you are preparing for a new simulation, you can create a completely new simulation for Alice or Geekbooks by clicking on Create New Simulation. As simple as that. Now for the actual simulation. You can give your participants the link app.piplanning.io. They will log in with the company name, starting with PIPS as prefix, followed by a dash, the team name and the passwords, which you can find in the confirmation email. One small thing which you need to be aware of during the exercise. When a feature is assigned to a team, it automatically creates the pre-made user stories on a team board. So if you assign a feature to another team, it will create the same user stories on a team board as well. In order to clean this up, the team that owned the feature first must manually delete them from the team board one by one. We prepared another short video which you can share with your participants prior to the simulation that teaches them everything they need to know to navigate the PI planning app during the simulation. For you, we recommend to watch a 21-minute PI planning app course on the piplanning.io/courses. That will make you a PI planning app operation master. After training, go back to the RTE cockpit and delete the simulation or simulations you used in your training. We click again on Create New Simulation and we are already ready for our next training session.